Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to share something game-changing with you today. We're diving deep into how to build personalized AI chatbots that actually remember you, using vector databases for long-term memory. Imagine chatting with an AI that remembers your preferences from months ago, recalls past conversations, and gets smarter with every interaction. That's exactly what we're building today. Whether you're a developer looking to level up your AI skills, an entrepreneur planning your next chatbot product, or just curious about cutting-edge AI tech, this comprehensive guide will give you everything you need. We'll go from theory to actual working code. So grab your favorite coding drink and let's build the future of conversational AI together. Let's start with a fundamental question. Why do most chatbots feel so dumb? Picture this. You're chatting with a customer support bot. You tell it about your problem, get some help, then come back tomorrow with a follow-up question. The bot responds like it's never met you before. Sound familiar? Traditional chatbots are essentially digital goldfish. They forget everything the moment the conversation ends. They have zero context about who you are, what you've discussed, or what you prefer. But personalized chatbots with long-term memory can remember your past conversations and context, learn your preferences and adapt over time, provide continuity across multiple sessions, deliver truly personalized experiences. The result? Studies show that personalized chatbots increase user engagement by 67% and customer satisfaction by 45%. That's the power of memory. So how do we give AI chatbots this superhuman memory? The answer lies in vector databases. Think of them as the brain of your chatbot. Here's the magic. Vector databases don't store text as words. Instead, they convert everything into high-dimensional vectors, essentially mathematical representations that capture meaning. Let me show you why this is revolutionary. Traditional keyword search would match car only with car, but vector search understands that automobile, vehicle, and ride are related concepts even if they use completely different words. For example, if you previously told the chatbot, "I love Italian cuisine," and later ask, "What's good for dinner?" The vector database can connect these concepts and suggest Italian restaurants, even though the words are completely different. Popular vector databases include Pinecone, Weaviate, Qdrant, and Milvus. Each has its strengths, but the core concept remains the same: semantic understanding through mathematical representations. Now let's look under the hood. Here's how our memory-powered chatbot actually works. Step 1. User sends a message. "What movies did I say I liked?" Step 2. The system converts this query into a vector using an embedding model like OpenAI's Text Embedding ADA002 or Sentence Transformers. Step 3. This query vector searches through our vector database, which contains embeddings of all past conversations, user preferences, and relevant context. Step 4. Our database returns the most semantically similar past interactions, maybe that conversation 3 weeks ago about loving sci-fi movies. Step 5. Our AI combines the current question with retrieved memories to generate a personalized, context-aware response. And finally, Step 6. The new conversation gets embedded and stored back into the database for future retrieval. This creates a continuous learning loop where every interaction makes the chatbot smarter and more personalized. Let's talk about the essential components you'll need for this build. Vector databases. Your options include Pinecone, great for beginners, managed service; Weaviate, open source with GraphQL support; Qdrant, high performance, Rust-based; and Milvus, enterprise-grade, highly scalable. Embedding models, these convert text to vectors; OpenAI embeddings, high quality, easy API; sentence transformers, open source and customizable; Cohere embeddings, good multilingual support. Language models for chat: GPT-4 or Claude for advanced reasoning; local models like Llama 2 for privacy, fine-tuned models for specific domains. Integration layer, Python with libraries like LangChain or JavaScript with vector database SDKs tie everything together seamlessly. Time for the fun part. Let's build this thing. I'll show you a complete working example using Python and Pinecone. First, let's set up our dependencies and initialize our components. Now, let's create functions to add memories and retrieve them. And here's the main chatbot function that ties it all together. Now let's level up with some advanced techniques that separate amateur projects from production-ready systems. 1. Hybrid search strategy. Don't rely only on vector similarity. Combine semantic search with metadata filters for precise results. 2. Memory management. Implement smart memory pruning to prevent information overload. 3. Context window optimization. Smart chunking ensures you don't exceed language model limits while preserving context. 4. Privacy and security. Always encrypt sensitive data and implement proper access controls. Your users trust you with their conversations. Let's explore where this technology is making a real impact across industries. E-commerce personal shoppers. Imagine a shopping assistant that remembers you prefer sustainable brands, size medium, and have a $200 budget. Every product recommendation becomes perfectly tailored. Healthcare virtual assistants. Patient chatbots that track symptoms over time, remember medication schedules, and provide continuity of care between appointments. Educational tutors. AI tutors that adapt to your learning style, remember which concepts you struggle with, and build personalized learning paths. Customer support heroes. Support bots that instantly recall your entire interaction history, previous issues, and account preferences. No more repeating yourself. Companies using personalized chatbots report a 40% reduction in support tickets and 60% improvement in customer satisfaction scores. The business case is crystal clear. Now let's address the elephant in the room. What challenges will you face and how do you solve them? Challenge 1. Vector database costs. Solution: implement smart data lifecycle management, use embedding compression, and choose the right pricing tier for your usage. Challenge 2. Hallucination prevention. Solution: always ground responses in retrieved facts. Use confidence scores and fall back to "I don't recall" when memory is uncertain. Challenge 3. Privacy compliance. Solution: implement data anonymization, user consent management, and right-to-deletion capabilities from day 1. Challenge 4. Scalability. Use distributed vector databases, implement caching strategies, and design for horizontal scaling. Before we wrap up, let's peek into the crystal ball and see where this technology is heading. Multimodal memory. Soon, chatbots will remember not just text, but images, voice tones, and even video interactions. Imagine showing a chatbot a photo and it remembering similar images from months ago. Federated learning. Privacy-preserving techniques will allow chatbots to learn from collective experiences without accessing individual user data. Real-time embedding updates. Vector databases will update embeddings in real time as language evolves, keeping your chatbot current with new slang, trends, and concepts. Emotional memory. Advanced systems will remember not just what you said, but how you felt, adapting their communication style to your emotional patterns. We're truly at the beginning of a new era in conversational AI. The chatbots we're building today are the foundation for tomorrow's AI companions. And that's a wrap on building personalized AI chatbots with vector database long-term memory. We've covered everything from the fundamental concepts to production-ready code, explored real-world applications, and even peeked into the future of conversational AI. The power to build truly intelligent, personalized chatbots is now in your hands. Whether you're creating customer support systems, educational assistants, or the next breakthrough AI companion, you have the tools and knowledge to make it happen. If this tutorial helped you level up your AI skills, smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest content. I'd love to see what you build with this. Drop a comment below with your chatbot ideas, questions, or if you want me to cover specific aspects in more detail. Check out more related videos where we dive deeper into vector databases, advanced RAG techniques, and building production AI systems. Remember, the future of AI is conversational and it's personalized. Start building today, and I'll see you in the next video.